Yo, que rollo, mi raza. Happy Friday. Today is Friday. Aquí andamos en chinga. I installed the Tranny on this truck. As you guys can see, no seats. Check out my custom seat. Yo. So we're gonna test out the truck, make sure the Tranny is shifting properly. And if so, I'll call up the customer, let him know that his ride is ready. So aquí andamos, mi raza. Chingue su madre. Oh, fuck. Fucking hood, man. Fucking hood. So mi raza, everything went good. Called up the customer. You know, I drove the truck drove smooth, you know, Tranny was shifting smooth, so, you know, quedó 100. So customer was happy, you know, big shout out to the boys, Steve-O. He liked the work. So mi raza, if you guys need any type of work, you know, Tranny work, engine work, diagnostic work, suspension work, you know, just feel free to hit me up. I do all that stuff. So, you know, pretty much I'm gonna be posting my work on YouTube, like on the video right here. So, you know, just make sure you guys like it, subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it. And, you know, gracias mi raza for all those that have been supporting me. Saludos, bendiciones to you all. Saludos.